Welcome to our channel. This is Anupam from Learnerwell. In this video, we will be guiding you how to use Learnerwell. You can use Learnerwell for searching any questions. If you are not signed in, you need to sign up or log in for asking or answering questions. How to sign up in Learnerwell. First, you need to provide required details: name, gender, email, password, location. Please remember password should be 6-digit long. After filling the details, you need to accept our terms and conditions and click on register. Verification mail will be sent to your email. Please verify the email for activating your account and use the site. The sign-up processes are same for all devices. How to log in Learnerwell. It is very easy. First, write your email and password in their respective fields and press login. Then you will be logged into Learnerwell. How to ask a question in Learnerwell. If you are using smartphone, then you will have a floating question button on your screen in the bottom right. Click on the button and a questioning area will pop up in front of you. Then you will be able to ask your question. And if you are using computer, then you will have Ask button in the corner right of your screen. Click on the button and a questioning area will pop up in front of you. Then you will be able to ask your question. The questioning area has 3 fields. First question title. Second subject. Third question description if you want to describe your question. How to answer a question in Learnerwell. Click on Add Answer, then answering area will pop up in front of you. Then write the answer. The answering area has many tools for editing the answer like test style, text size, many more. The process for smartphones and computers are same. How to answer a question in Learnerwell. Click on Add Answer, then answering area will pop up in front of you. Then write the answer. The answering area has many tools for editing the answer like test style, text size, many more. The process for smartphones and computers are same. How to search a question in Learnerwell. Learnerwell has two types of searching system. First, question-based search. You can directly search your question. Second, subject-based search. You can find subject-wise questions easily. In smartphones you will get the subjects in the sidebar. You can open the sidebar by clicking on your profile photo in the right corner. Learnerwell have many more features. Notification: whenever your answer gets heart or a comment or it is rated, you will get notification. If anyone reports your question you will be notified. Reaction: you can react on someone's answer or add a comment or give ratings to the answer. Recent and unanswered question filter. Recent is used to see latest questions. Unanswered is used to see the unanswered questions. Feedback. User can provide the feedback. They can say what they liked, what should be added and many more. Report a question or an answer. User can report a question or answer if it is wrong. User profile. User can edit their information and change their profile picture from profile. User can also add their description. Contact us. User can write their message to us directly. User can suggest us what they want. They can tell us if they are facing any problem or not, so that we can help them. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all guys understood how to use Learnerwell. Like and share the video.